Here are 3 Charles Schwab index funds that you can buy and hold forever. The first index fund on my list is the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund. This fund trades under ticker symbol SWPPX. And as the name suggests, this fund tracks the S&P 500 index, which is comprised of the 500 largest companies in America, and is considered by many to be the single greatest stock investment you can make. Now, the great thing is that this fund has an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.02%, meaning you'd only pay $2 on every $10,000 that you invested into this fund. And this fund has no investment minimum and great long-term performance. The second fund on my list is the Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund. And this fund trades under ticker symbol SWTSX. SWTSX tracks the Dow Jones US Total Stock Market Index, which means it invests in the largest 3,518 largest US companies. Now, the reason a lot of people prefer this fund over SWPPX is because it offers more diversification. You see, SWPPX just invests in large cap companies, but SWTSX invests in small and mid-cap companies. And it too has an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.03%. The third fund on my list is the Schwab International Index Fund, which trades under ticker symbol SWISX. Now, SWISX tracks the MSCI EAFE index, meaning it invests in 822 companies, all located outside of the US. And the best part is it has an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.06%, which is ultra-low considering it's an international index fund. And lastly, financial coaching is available through the Stan Store link in my bio. Ladies and gentlemen, financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.